All right, guys. Greetings. How's everyone? I just want to show you a demo on how you're able to open an account on myzua.com. This is very important, and for you to list products on myzua, you just need to have an account. You just open an account, then you're able to upload songs, products, and services on myzua. So this was the product that was uploaded. Bear with me, my network may load so slow. Yeah, so this is a power banker. It was listed by Zactric Innovations. Um, so to begin, the first thing that you should understand is that myzua is a marketplace. Just like you visit some market, then you're able to browse some categories, like you're able to check what's there in the market, what are these people selling, you see. So right now, as you can see, we have some products here that are listed. So these are listed on marketplace on myzua.com. So this is super cool. So if you list a product on myzua, the more you market your product, the better. You list the product, you market it, and people are able to come through to buy your product. People are able to come through to check your product. You see, if you upload the product, then you leave it like that, then it's not market, it's not sold, it's not known by individuals. Like, hey, um, I've listed my product on myzua. I need to, if okay, like you list a product, you share the link, you advertise your product to various individuals. You see, because it's very important. Rather than you list a product without sharing the link, there are various methods on how you're able to share your link. Like we have this section here. If you can see the section here where it says share. So this section has some icons, links direct to various platforms. So you're able to share this product on these platforms. Or one of the quickest way is you copy this link here. Once you copy, you're able to share this link to various individuals on various platforms. Like if I can go on my WhatsApp, I post the link on my WhatsApp status saying, hey guys, I've listed the new product, you can purchase it on myzua. Okay, now we go with product listing. For you to list a product, you need to register. It's not like someone who just want to stream your song online, then they go. With this, you need to register. Just like the market, you can't go by the market and open a shop, boom, without reaching out to the counselors, to whoever who's responsible for the horses, for you to run a business at the store, at the marketplace. So right now, register. So if you've noticed, it's here, register, login. If you have an account already, you're able to log in. If you don't have an account, you need to register. So registration is just one step, you're done, you know. So like I'm Laxon, shit stuff, Laxon. So I'll type my email, Laxon others, like some of you guys, you have gmail.com, you know, so you can go forward. Then here you edit, you enter your password. You don't need to use the same password that you used on your Gmail. Here you create a new password. So I'll go with my own password. Since this is a demo, I'll go like 1234. 1234 hashtag 1234. Yeah, something like that. Okay, 1234 hashtag 1234. You see, I need to confirm here that I've read the terms and condition by Maizoa. Then I click register, or I can go direct. Okay, let me just forward first. Okay, I click register there. So bear with me, the network. So I'm going to pause the video till it loads due to the network. Okay, we are in. So far, I've registered. I've just opened my account for the first time on myzua.com, and this is great. So this is the first step you need to make sure you are done with. So if you made a mistake with the Gmail, you'll see your Gmail here, your Slack, the first name, last name. You need to include your phone number, your tax number here. You know, we have Zeta, you have, you know, these guys, the Pakra guys, and everyone. Like we used the tax ID to make sure your TPIN is used efficiently. So I've just registered. I haven't touched to anything trying to do the profile settings. I haven't worked on that yet. But what I've done is just that I've logged in, I've registered. You see, so right now I'm able to do great stuffs because right now I have so if you notice Luxon Chanda, there is another Luxon Chanda on the system. So Luxon Chanda 1. So it has just given you like, oh, there is another Luxon Chanda on the system. So hey, get the one here to make sure your name becomes unique. So if I go there, I have my dashboard, my profile, my wallet, orders, my messages, profile settings, logout. So all these are part of the features on Maizoa. So if I had to visit dashboard, let me before I start doing the settings, I want us to go through the system itself fully. We go from one step to another, the whole system, we make sure we're able to cover it up. Okay, this is the dashboard. There is nothing, I've done nothing here. So I go there, you see, this is the menu, and this is the profile. If I want to deal with things that I want to do with, like this is just my profile, and the profile settings are this side, you see. But for this side, once I go on in my dashboard, it means that I'm inside my store, my own online store. You know, this is very important for everyone to understand. The dashboard is your own online store. It's like I'm inside the physical store right now. This means I'm inside the physical store, you see. So this is, I'm inside the physical store. I can see a lot of stuffs. Like if we start from top here, dashboard there. This is the dashboard, you see. This is the dashboard. And if I go add product, just after registering, I'm able to add a product, you see. So this is where you add your images for the product. You capture your product, you add your images here. physical products or tangible products. Physical products, these are gadgets, like I'm selling a phone, I'm going to list it as a physical product. If I'm selling a laptop, I'm selling whatever that I'm selling. I'm selling fruits, I'm selling clothes, those are physical products. Digital products, on the other hand, are downloadable files, media files, So if I'm selling a digital file, let's say I'm selling my song, or rather, even when I just want to distribute my song for free, I'm going to go for digital download, you see, and this is physical download there and digital download. So digital download, we have add product for sale. This is when you want to add a product, like, okay, let me say I want to sell my song, and this song I want to sell it at 50 kwacha per download, so anyone who wants to get that song is going to buy it at 50 kwacha. And this is most important part, because you don't need to wait on streams, you don't need to wait for years, but you can just make sure you are able to side hustle this side, with MyZoa. So the physical product, let's say the listing type we have. The first part is add the product for sale. So this is why you add your product for sale online. You can list this product for sale as a free product, like when you're dealing with digital products, or at the best discount if you're dealing with physical products. If you had a product or service as an ordinary listing, this is very important. Like, oh, hey, how much I want, I'm an electrician, by the way, so I want to sell the services as for electricians, like anyone who wants to buy electrical services is able to purchase this part. This is able to use this feature. This is the most important feature of all. You need to understand this feature. We'll make sure we go through each and every step. For now, I just want us to walk through the system itself. Add the product to receive quotes, you see. So they'll be sending you prices. Hey, I have this much, I want to buy your product at this much, because you're giving them chance to request how much you are giving them chance to offer you the price for the product that you are listing on MyZoa, you see. The categories are very important. Categories, they tell where your product to be located at. So it's like a physical store. What shelf am I using? What shelf am I going to use? This is very important. So if I select media, so like, since right now we had to switch off other categories and we are trying to focus on the media distribution, and all other requests, if someone requests a category, we are able to switch it on. So we see music products, like if I'm uploading a product like music, I'm able to select this. This is very important. This is very important. So from there, digital music downloads. So this shows me that the product will be saved at the product will be stored in the category media, and then from media, the media is the parent category. And then we have music and sound records. This is the child category, another child category of this one, of music and sound recordings. And this is the child category of media, you see. So it's just basically a good tree that is listed. So I can just click on media, okay, like that. Okay, so once I'm done like this, then I'm able to come by part title. If I go type, I want, what song am I selling? Okay, verse 17, code number. featuring Leo Muller French. Okay, like this. Okay, verse 17 code number. I'll be like bet again. Okay, so this is the title. So build better again. Like okay, just type la 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 la, anything that you describe your assets, your song there. You need to make sure you write a short description of your song. And tags are very important. Tags are very important. Tags are very important. So the more tags you add, the easier the product will be easily found, the easier it will be found. So like if you do that, it's kind of better. Yeah. Okay. Here you describe if it's a product you're uploading. If it's a product, a physical product you are uploading, this is where you describe your product fully. You see, you describe your product fully. What features is it having? So the first part is what product are you having? What product are you having right now? So let's say I'm selling pods, here pods. So these earpods, you describe the mood itself, the color, you know, the size, battery life, you know. You can describe like the even you include um delivery. You can add delivery terms as well, like payment terms as well. In fact, payment terms. Okay, delivery or shipping term, it's just the same, shipping terms, um who pays for shipping. You're able to describe a lot here, because this is giving like it's the how can I say it? Like you're truly describing this product to your buyers fully. Like, oh, this product has full details. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then we go. I think we are okay. The next part is okay. Let me try to upload the picture. I'll just use any random picture that I'm going to find as soon as possible on once I visit it. Because just random picture. Which one is better? Which one is better? Which one? I'm trying to find something that is okay. Okay, I have this one. So you see, the product is being uploaded. If you had 5 products here, if you had, let's say 5 images, okay, I think this was a random screenshot. I don't know how I got that screenshot. So there's a way to select which product should be pressed per menu. So if do you want this one to be the main product or this one? So I want this one to be the main product. You see? So once I'm done like that, I'll go save and continue. Yeah, this is the wonderful part. Just because I clicked the digital product, you see, so I'm taken to digital file upload. So here I'm supposed to upload a digital file. This is not a physical file, but a digital file. You see, this is a digital file. This is a digital file. If you notice, this is a digital file. So check this out. I want to upload the digital file here. Okay, I'll go Papa Lupe. Oh, I have this song. Huh? Okay, that's Brother Arnold. You see, so you need to wait till the product has been uploaded fully. So from there, what type of product are you having? Are you uploading? This is okay. I'm selling a digital product. Okay, that's wonderful. Oh, okay, there's this part. This is critical part. Multiple sell, yes, I want to sell this product to more than one customer. So it means that if I purchase the product will still be variable. Someone is able to see it to purchase that product again. But if I say I want to sell this product once, then the product will be only sold once. And this feature is best for DJs. Hey, I'm selling a beat. So that beat, most of the time, it will be sold to only one individual. Okay, let's say you want to sell a hook. You will only sell that hook to one individual. So I want it to be sold to multiple, and this is very important. This code is used to search for your product. So I'm able to copy this code and search it on my Zoa, and I'll find your product easily. So okay, we want to calculate how much for what are we selling, price, like discount price, discount. So I'm selling this product at this much, so it will calculate to the total of 1235. If I'm selling that product at 1235, then I'll get the total 1235. But if I had, okay, like if I want to sell my songs per song download, at least okay, let's say 5 kwacha, 10 kwacha. Okay, how much can I pay for a song? Okay, I can pay 5 kwacha. That's a hit song. Or rather, like, okay, like if I'm distributing, like the one I'm selling, I'm able to sell it there. Okay, you see, okay, the demo. So I can include the link from YouTube here, or I can upload the video, or I can add the audio here, the audio file. You see, so from there I'll agree. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, then I submit. So for now we are not doing the submission. We are still trying to make sure we understand the system. So we are done with our add product. Now we go on products. This is a drop down menu having products. What products have you sold? What products have you listed online so far? So this is where you'll find your products if you list them online. Pending product. If I upload a product, I haven't published it yet, or rather it's not yet approved. This is where I'll find the products. Hidden products. If I get to hide the product, this is where I'll find the product. Sold products, the most interesting part of my Zoa. If I sell a product, this is where I'll find the data at. Drafted products. If I had to, like you see, that product I was about to upload, it's here. So if I fail to upload the product, it will be listed here. Okay. wonderful. Sales. Sales as well, active sales, they'll be listed there. Completed sales here, and we have cancelled sales. Okay, you cancel a sale to be listed there. Quotes. Quotes are very important as well. They support your online business, you know. So like if someone had to request for quotation, pending payments, rejected, code closed, completed. These are parts of things this system is offering so far, and you benefit all those just using MyZoa. You know, you're able to manage various stuffs here. You know, coupons are very important. They this helps you to create discounts to products. If you're selling a product, you're able to have discounts of it. Refund request is very important. You need to understand that a customer is able to purchase your product and still request, hey, pay me back, your product is not okay, I want my money back. This is where you get to approve the products that the refund request. Cash on delivery. This feature is very important as well. You make use of it. You're able to receive payments once you deliver the product. Our system deducts commission basis. So if you do a cash on delivery, you're able to pay something to the system, but still it's getting a zero kwacha out of your products, because we are not getting any commission here. And we have payments, promotional payments. This is where I'm promoting my product to run ads on my Zoa. This is where this feature comes in. So if I get a certain product, I'm able to pay for that product, purchase plan. So there are certain plans that my Zoa offers for me to purchase the promotion for that product. Appreciate programs. This is the most interesting part of businesses. You know, the most interesting part of their business, of the online business. If I list the products on my Zoa today, this is where I'll get most of it. So enable for all products, enable only for selected products. So you can appreciate your products on my Zoa. If someone shares your link, okay, here is the code. It says the affiliate program allows you as a seller to pay external partners as a commission for promoting your product and driving sales through their unique links, helping you reach a wide audience and increase revenue. When you activate this system, there will be an option to create affiliate link on your product page. All users can participate in this program by creating their own links for your products. So I'm able to visit your store, I'm able to get the link of your product and sell it. If someone buys that product, boom, money comes in. Comments. How many comments have you received? This is another feature. People commenting on your products, you know, reviews, recommendation, people recommending you. Oh, yeah, this guy, the products, Zactrek Innovation is supplying, they're legit, and blah 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 blah. Okay, now we enter to the settings, shop settings. This is one of the other critical part. Shop settings. You need to make sure you understand shop settings. Right now we are going to do this is a quick review of shop settings, but I just need to change the name, you know. Okay. I've just opened an account on my Zoa. What am I going to name my shop? Okay, yeah, the shop is going to resemble my physical store. I'm trying to think on how I'm able to open update details here. This is the most interesting part, guys. Okay, so let's go. The shop name is uh something. Okay, I'll use this. Okay, this is where you describe your shop. You know, blah 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 blah. You describe. We'll work. We'll have time to make sure we go through all these steps step by step. We'll make sure we go through all these steps, like, you know. Okay. Shop settings. Shop settings. If you've noticed what's there in shop settings, these are the only things that are there. Shop settings, the name, and you describe your shop. And then you go for policies. Policies are very important. This is telling your customers, hey, this is how I work. You know, when I'm selling products, you need to pay before the product is delivered. You can pay when the product uh, like you can pay or on product delivery, or pay before the product is there. All those details are included here in the policy. You need to make sure your policy is fully updated. And shipping settings, this is the most critical part when dealing with product shipping. You can't deliver products. Okay, someone, hey, I want to buy. Okay, get this scenario. A guy from Soroizi is purchasing a product from Lusaka. So this is where you are going to include the details. Oh, this is okay. We are able to deliver products to Lusaka. We are able to deliver product to Sorese on these terms. Blah 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 blah. You know, great. Okay. Right now we are done with a review of the online of the dashboard of the dashboard. So I could love we visit now the profile. You see the profile. So the profile is there. Okay, this is your profile. You see, this is your profile. So let's try to update the profile settings. You see, profile settings. It's here. These parts are very important. You need to make sure someone sends you the email once you receive a message on my Zoa. Show some, they should be able to see your email. If they want to communicate with you direct, they're able to communicate there. Show your number. Your phone number should be visible for others to communicate easily with you. So the number is there. Your email here, you need to include your email, the cover picture, and the picture. All these are one step update. You know, you click there, it takes you, you allow the image you want to add on. So there We go on profile settings, right? Oh, we are still in profile settings, by the way. Okay. So when you're done with that, you go location. Where are you located at? This is very important. Where is your location? What's your location? Okay, in Zambia, right? Okay, okay, copper belt. You include everything, then you save. All these should be included. Shipping address. You need to include shipping address from the shipping. Yeah, all these you need to make sure you include all details fully. These are critical stuffs to help you stand out on MyZoa. We'll make sure we have some time to go through each. So this is Facebook link, the social media link. If you have a personal website, blah 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 blah, you can include them there. If you want to change your password, it's one step ahead. Boom, you're done. So delete account. You're able to delete an account. Trust me, once you delete your account, all data is gone. Okay. We are done with our first session on MyZoa, making sure that we've gone through all various features when dealing with the online store. Thank you, myzoa.com. Kindly invite others to make sure we are able to promote, sell online. If you have any question you want to communicate with us, you are able to go on contact details. You contact us at MyZoa and we will respond to you. You can use a direct call WhatsApp number and sure, we hope to see you soon.